You know what? That's enough.
Gosh, damn.
Oh, he got you again, didn't he?
Jesus Christ.
3 inches tall. Emmanuel, every time. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel.
Hey! Hey!
Take your Brad energy elsewhere.
Look what I can do! Don't run from the lower. Ooh, I'm cornering. I'm cornering him. Ooh, got him in the corner. Ah, got him. Stop. Eugene. Eugene's trying to mate with me, guys. Eugene, you creeper.